So, let's see how the light situation is. Now I shall work on my plants some more. Yes. Yes, grasshopper. Soon I can glue the plants together, and then I will be a Jedi like my ancestors before me. Yep. Then again, maybe not. Okay. Little dab of glue. A little dab of glue. And there. Final little dab. And a mush. It doesn't have to be totally regular, of course. I mean, real plants aren't, so the pretend ones don't need to be either. Still, it's good to get everybody more or less consistent, so we can see it's the same kind of plant, or meant to be. And now I try to add a little life-like feeling to it. Hurry. Yes. These are just some scrap bits left over from a different plant when I was cutting it out. So, do-ta, 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 do. And just bend a little. Just get a little more lifelike feel to it. Bend the outside ones. Yeah. There we go. The inside ones are okay. For another possibility is to have two of these here, but I'm not so super thrilled with that. I can go around and give it a try. So, yes. These are going to need something in the middle, like a bead maybe, or so just don't. Okay. Let's see now. Yeah, now I like it now that it's bent a bit. More exciting than having just one of the 8 points to it. It has 16. And here I have some green ribbon that might make a cool part of a vine, but not so sure. I mean, on one hand, it's a little too shiny to be natural looking, but on the other hand, the shininess is catching the light, and that's good. So, shall play around with this. See what I come up with in terms of inspiration. I also have some hand-painted papers. So these I think were like fall leaves because they're turning bronze and coppery, but they're not quite there yet. And of course for the flowers, wait, that came out pretty darn cool. Whoa. This is maybe a little plain, but it has some shimmer on it, so that should help. And excuse me. Wait. And finally, I have this red and yellow and pinkish here. Yeah. So, time to get out my dye machine.